Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will walk you through how to add the Zeus network on your Xumo TV in 2026 the right way. So if you want to watch the Zeus shows on your TV but you don't know how to install it, I will show you exactly what to do step by step. So before hopping on to the process, first of all, we need to understand how the application work on the Xumo TV platform. So Xumo TV has many apps already available in it in the app section, but not every popular streaming application is always listed by default. So in order to watch Zeus network, you will need to find and you need to add it through the available applications library, or you can also use the method that works best for your TV. So first of all, you need to press the home button on your remote in order to open the main screen in front of you. So on the main screen, you just have to go through the application section and you need to find the option of apps. When you are inside the option of apps, you will see all of the applications that are basically already available in your Xumo TV platform. So in order to find Zeus network in it, simply use the search bar on the top right hand corner of the screen. After that, you need to simply search for Zeus network. Now, if you see Zeus network in the list, simply select it, then click on the option of install or get. Wait for a few seconds while the application installs. Once it is installed successfully, the app will appear on your app list. So now you can open the Zeus network app and then you can sign in into your account and start watching your shows. But if you don't see the Zeus network application in the apps list, it simply means that you can't actually add it on your Xumo TV store, or it is not available in your region. So some users can access Zeus content through the browser application on your Xumo TV if it is available. So you need to open the built-in web browser and then you just have to search for the Zeus network website. After that, you just have to sign in your account and then you can basically start streaming the content. So this won't install the app, but at least you will be able to watch the Zeus network content via your Xumo TV web browser. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.